let me show you how to use the new Farmasi brow wax. Comes with this adorable packaging. We have your glass jar. It has a very beautiful soft scent. It smells like a clean scent. And this spoolie. Here's the spoolie. Okay, let's get to business. So definitely don't try to clean it off with a tissue. Let's try this again. Brow wax, spoolie. So what you do is you dip it in, a little bit on your brush, and you pretty much start off by brushing the hairs up. Okay, so here we have all of our hairs brushed up versus the craziness going on over here. So after you have your hairs brushed up, I usually like to keep mine up in the front, and then I just shape the sides down, like so. And I'm sure many of you have a lot more brow hair than I do, because mine is very sparse. So some of you may not even need to add any brow pencil, brow powder, color to it. And this can take the place of clear brow mascara, because once this dries, your brows ain't going anywhere. And that's how simple it is. Now I'll let that dry, and then I will use my brow powder over top of this, and then do the rest of my makeup.